Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain what is exception, how to handle the exception in Java, and what are the types of exceptions in Java. So first I am going to explain the hierarchy of exception. So exception is the subclass of throwable. Throwable is the subclass of object class. Coming to the exception. So exceptions are divided into two types. One is checked exception, another one is unchecked exception. Checked exception, the best example is SQL exception, IO exception, and class not found exception. For unchecked exception, the best example is arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, and number format exception. Coming to the exception, what is exception? Exception is an event that disturbs the normal flow of the program is nothing but a exception. So exception is occurred at the time of program execution. Whenever the exception is occurred, the program execution get terminated immediately. So what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism of handling the exception at the time of runtime is called exception handling. Generally, whenever an exception is right, the system displays the error message to the user, but the user is not able to understand the system generated message. So the user is convert the system generated message into user friendly error message, nothing but a exception handling. So in Java we have a two types of exception handling. One is checked exception, another one is unchecked exception. So what is checked exception? The exception which are checked by the compiler at the time of compilation is nothing but a checked exception. The best example is SQL exception, IO exception, and class not found exception. So when we are getting the SQL exception, suppose user is trying to connect to the database. If something is going wrong, then we are getting the SQL exception. So when we are getting the IO exception, suppose user is trying to perform operation on files, then if anything is going wrong, then we are getting the IO exception. So when we are getting the class not found exception, suppose user is trying to compile the Java class. If the Java class is not available in a specified path, then we are getting the class not found exception. So coming to the unchecked exception. So what is unchecked exception? The exception which are not checked by the compiler at the time of compilation, then it is nothing but a unchecked exception. The unchecked exceptions are occurred at the time of runtime. So best example is arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, and number format exception. When we are getting the arithmetic exception, so suppose user is trying to divide something by 0, then we are getting the arithmetic expression. So when we are getting the null pointer expression, suppose user is trying to perform operation on null object, then we are getting the null pointer expression. So when we are getting the number format exception, suppose user is trying to convert one data type into another data type, then we are getting the number format exception. Now I am going to show you the practical example of exception handling mechanism. Just to go to Eclipse, select new tab, select class. So exception handling is my class name. Select the main method, click on finish button, remove the comments. So first I'm not using the exception handling mechanism. We will see what happened. So int a equal to 50 by 0. That means something is divided by 0. I am going to print the a. So now I am going to run the program, run a Java application. So here we can see we are getting the exception. Suppose here we are writing the some statements. So rest of the code. That means, so generally the interpreter executing the program line by line. So whenever the cursor coming to here sixth line, we are getting the arithmetic exception. That means suppose we are not using the exception handling mechanism, the cursor coming to here, it will terminate from the program and it will come out of the program. That means it will not executing the remaining part of the program. So now I am going to execute the program. So here we can see here we are getting the exception at sixth line. So here we are getting the arithmetic expression. That's why the cursor terminate from the sixth line. It will not executing the remaining part of the program. So if we are using the exception handling mechanism, we will see what happened. So here I'm using the try block and catch block exception E. I'm going to print the exception E dot print stack trace. Sorry. Print stack trace. So here we are using the try block. So this is the problematic code. That's why we are put this code in a try block, and here we are handling the exception. So now even though exception is coming here, the rest of code will be executing. Now we are going to see the output. Now I am going to run as Java application. So even though we are getting the exception in 7th line, the rest of the code is executing. So here we can see rest of the code. Suppose if we are not using the try catch block, so the rest of code is not executing because the cursor terminated from the exception block. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.